anyway.
I know. Besides, I grow tired of being a ninja.
Great! Now how about we go grab that post-gig snack?
You got it, Ami. Hey, Kaz isn't still mad at me for breaking his leg in 7 places, is he?
Not at all, Yumi. Not at all.
And now with more beautiful messages about Cartoon Network, here's your host of hosts, Zinga!
Thank you. Let's hear for the beautiful Tommy. And let's hear for Hi Puppy Yummy Yummy. But wait, there's more. Brand new Hi Puppy Yummy Yummy. Coming up next.
That's right, all you cartoon watchers. Hi, Puppy Yummy Yummy's up next. After this!
Bye-bye, Boo!
Dumbledore! Slinky! I'm cool.
Every month, you can start collecting today. Cars, Track, and Boosters each sold separately.
Hey everyone! It's so good to see you today, and I hope I found something familiar. You're just in time. I'm about to do something interesting today. Come on in. You know what the sign language... Wait a minute. What's that smell? It's you! Ooh, tell me, did you just watch the Mine Show? Because you smell like Minecrafty. Or maybe smell is good all the time. Now, as I was saying, what does sign language even do, actually? Well, Mr. Justin Fletcher of Something Special will tell you about how to sign a cat. Look.
Ah, look. Dog. You sign. Dog. Look. Dog. Ah, look. Cat. You sign. Cat. Oh, look. Cat. Aha. Look. Fish. You sign. Fish. Oh, look. Fish. Ah, look. Rabbit. You sign. Rabbit. Ah, look. Rabbit. Lots of pet animals.
Yep. Yeah, I think that looked like a pets, yeah. Hey, yeah. Pets. Pets. You know, some pets can be better creatures, actually. Like, for example, a dog that barks. A cat that meows a lot.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States Geological Survey. At 1:46 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time, An earthquake with a magnitude of 7.6 on the Richter scale has occurred at Yellowstone National Park in Wyoming. This quake has been centered along the mouth of the Yellowstone River. This earthquake has caused serious damage to the Yellowstone condos and suites and the vacation rental center. This quake has possibly triggered the Yellowstone supervolcano to erupt, but an eruption cannot be confirmed at this time. All residents within a 50-mile radius of Yellowstone National Park are advised to seek shelter immediately. Close and lock all windows and doors. Turn off all heating and air conditioning systems. Close all fireplaces. Seal all cracks on doors and windows with tape or damp towels. Prepare to evacuate if an eruption is imminent. Stay away from this area.
Just like the aquarium. And there's a lot of different kinds of fish as well. And rabbits are actually for creatures